Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Students, now see the circuit diagram. The diagram represents the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. How can you say this is the closed cycle gas turbine power plant? Means the open cycle means without the heat exchanger block. The remaining only is called as a open cycle gas turbine power plant. If we can join, that means heat exchanger. That means the heat exchanger is connected between the turbine and the compressor. This is called as a closed cycle gas turbine power plant. The closed cycle gas turbine power plant has the advantages over than the open cycle gas turbine power plant. The closed cycle gas turbine power plant consists of compressor, heat exchanger, turbine, and then power turbine also. Okay. So here what is the function? Here the turbine, heat exchanger, and then the compressor coupled together on the same shaft only. And then the exhaust from the power turbine, it comes to heat exchanger, and then this heat exchanger is used to cool the exhaust gases. Then again this gas only can goes to compressor, then is heated by the heat exchanger. You can come to turbine, the heat energy converted into mechanical energy, the mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. This is the closed cycle gas turbine power plant operation. Now you see the theory part. Dear student, in the open cycle gas turbine power plant, the fuel is mixed with air in the combustion chamber, and the combustion gases are expanded in the gas turbine. What happened due to this? This causes erosion and corrosion of the turbine blades. Therefore, the essential to use fuel of superior quality in the combustion chamber. This is the drawback in the open cycle gas turbine. This drawback is overcome by using the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. How? In closed cycle gas turbine power plant, the fuel is not mixed with the working medium. So the working medium may be air or any other gases. The gases means hydrogen, neon, etc. The drawback of open cycle gas turbine is that turbine exhaust is discharged into the atmosphere. The result is the rejection of the heat exhaust gases to the atmosphere only. But in the closed turbine power plant, the rejection of the heat of the exhaust gases in a heat exchanger or cooler only. In the closed turbine cycle power plant, the working medium, air or gas, is heated externally and is continuously circulated through the compressors, heat exchangers, intercoolers, reheaters, and gas coolers. So this is the function of closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Okay. First you draw the diagram of closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Then you can explain the drawback of the open cycle gas turbine power plant. How this drawback is overcome by the closed turbine cycle power plant. And then what is the function of closed turbine cycle power plant. Now, what is the advantages of closed cycle gas turbine power plant? The first one is high thermal efficiency. Because here two heat exchangers are used, So therefore the thermal efficiency is increased. Now you see the circuit diagram once again. You see here two heat exchangers are used and then one compressors and then turbine. So therefore the thermal efficiency is increased in the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Then reduced size. The size of the power plant reduced. Here no contamination occurred and then lesser fluid friction occurs in the closed cycle gas turbine power plant compared to open cycle. No losses in the working medium. Here the working medium may be air or gas. The output of the closed cycle turbine power plant is greater than the open cycle. And then the inexpensive of the fuel in the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. So these are the advantages of the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Then we studied about the disadvantages of closed cycle gas turbine power plant. The first one is complexity. Because you see the circuit diagram once again. So here two heat exchangers is there. Okay, here compressor, here also turbine, and then one more power turbine also is there. This turbine only is coupled with the generator. This generator only generate the electricity. So therefore here the complexity more. We can control this compressor, these two heat exchangers, and then these turbines and then generators. So therefore the greater complexity in the closed cycle gas turbine power plant, and then large amount of cooling water is required. Now because to cool the compressor, to cool the two heat exchangers, so huge amount of the cooling water is required. Then it is the dependent system. Closed cycle gas turbines power plant is nothing but the dependent system only. Another disadvantage is it is not economical for moving vehicles as weight per kilowatt developed is high. In the closed cycle gas turbine power plant, the weight per kilowatt is high. So therefore it is not economical for moving vehicles. It requires the use of very large air heater. I already told, no, that means regenerator, air heater, intercooler. These three is used to improve the thermal efficiency in the closed cycle gas turbine power plant. So therefore this power plant requires the use of very large air heater. Dear student, in this lecture video, okay, first you draw the circuit diagram and then explain the working function of the circuit diagram. Then what are the problem we are faced in the open cycle gas turbine, how it is rectified by the closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, and then what is the working operation of the closed cycle turbine power plant, then advantages and disadvantages of the closed cycle turbine. Already we studied open cycle gas turbine power plant. In this lecture video you studied closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Now you can compare from this and you can segregate the advantages and the disadvantages. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understood the working operation of the closed cycle gas turbine power plant and advantages and disadvantages of a closed cycle gas turbine power plant. Under this topic, how the question will come in the VTU University examinations, explain the closed cycle gas turbine power plant with a neat sketch. So you draw the diagram. This minimum is 6 mark, maximum is 8 mark. Then the split of 6 marks means 2 plus 4. 8 mark means 2 plus 6 only. Thank you students for listening this video.